Hello students, this is Jagan Babu. Subject control system. We'll see the gate question problem on the topic of the block diagram reduction. Find the transfer function C by R of the system given us. See the question. Find the transfer function C by R of the system is. The diagram is given. R, C. We have the two summer points, plus minus. We have 2 plus 2, 4 blocks, G1, G2, H1, H2. We have two closed loop. One closed loop consists of G1, H1 with the summer. Other closed loop consists of G2, H2 with the summer. Okay, the four options are mentioned here. G1, G2 divided by 1 minus G1 minus G2 plus G1, G2, H1, H2. Option A. G1, G2 divided by 1 plus G1, H1 plus G2, H2 plus G1, G2, H1, H2. Option B. G1, G2 divided by 1 plus G1, H1 plus G2, H2. Option C. G1, H1, G2, H2 divided by 1 plus G1, H1 of 1 plus G2, H2. Option D. Out of these four options, which option will be correct apt to do the block diagram reduction and get the final answer? Solution. First consider this block. Take this block. Summer of plus minus G1, H1. This is completely a closed loop with negative feedback. So when closed loop with the negative feedback, so G divided by 1 plus G into H. This is a formula. So substitute this. So instead of G, write as G1. Instead of H, write as H1. So replace this formula. Therefore, G1 divided by 1 plus G1 into H1 for completely for this block. When come to second block. So step number 1, I am taking the first block, closed loop negative feedback. After simplification, I got the negative feedback closed loop formula as G divided by 1 plus G into H. So now replace by G into H, G becomes G1, H becomes H1. You got the answer as G1 divided by 1 plus G1 into H1. Next, come to the second block. This is my second block. G2, H2 with the summer of this. Consider the second one. Summing of G2, H2 with the summer plus minus. Again, this is also a closed loop negative feedback. G divided by 1 plus G into H. Now, instead of G, replace by G2. Instead of H, replace by H2. Now, use this block, use this formula, change in term like this. Therefore, it is G2 divided by 1 plus G2 into H2. This is the final answer. Now, with these two to be connected, these two answers should be joined here. After that, what's the first answer of the first block? G1 divided by 1 plus G1 H1. What's the answer for the second block? G2 divided by 1 plus G2 H2. Combine. Now, we have the four options. Out of this four option, which is the correct option for the corresponding answer? According to that, we have to match the answer. I got the answer for the first case, G1 by 1 plus G1 H1. I got the answer for the second case, G2 by 1 plus G2 into H2. Combine together, list out with all the four options above, identify the correct answer and mark it. So the correct answer option is option B. So choose this the correct answer, and we got the answer like this. Thank you.